Assalamu alaikum class. In this lecture we will learn about the function and its type. What is the function? Function is a relation between two sets in such a way that each element of a set associate to one and only one element of second set. First set is said to be domain and the second set is said to be codomain. It is a rule between two sets in such a way that each element of first set should associate to one and only one element of the second set. The first set is said to be domain and second set is said to be codomain. If you want to check the given graph is a function or not, then you will draw the vertical lines on the graph. The vertical line should cut the graph exactly at one point. It should not cut the graph more than one point. If the lines cut the graph more than one point, then the given graph is not a function. Suppose we have given a equation or function y is equal to x cube. We want to check that given equation is a function or not. Then we will draw its graph and check that either this equation is a function or not. For this you have to calculate some value. If x belongs to set of integers, then you know set of integers contain positive and negative numbers. Here is x, here is y, that is equal to x square. Then you may calculate, if you put 0 in place of x, then value of y is also 0. If you put 1, then value of y is also 1. If you put 2, then value of y is 2 to the 4. If you put 3, then value of y is 9. If you put 4, then value of y is 16. Similarly, if you put here -1, then -1 का square, -1 2 times will be +1. If you put -2, then answer will be 4. If you put -3, then answer will be 9. If you put -4, then answer will be 16. You will draw a graph of this function. Suppose this is the x-axis, horizontal line is x-axis, this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis. You may indicate it x-axis. Here is positive y-axis, here is negative y-axis. You may define the scale. On x-axis you have values up to 4. You may say that here is 0, 1, on equal distance 2, on equal distance 3, here is 4. Here are negative values, -1, -2, -3 and -4, and on y-axis the values are up to 16. You may say here is 4, here 8, here 12 and here 16. Here is -4, -8, -12 and -16. At 0, x is 0, then y is 0. The point is this one. If x is 1 and y is 1, this is value of x, then here between 0 and 4, 1, 2, 3, here should be 1, here 2, here 3, then this is 4. If x is 1 and y is 1, the point should be this one, nearly this one. If x is 2 and y is 4, if value of x is 2, here y is 4, on the this side y, on the this side x, then point is this one. If x is 3 and y is 9, if x 3, then y is here 3 and 9 should be here somewhere. If x is 4 and y is 16, if x is 4 in front of 4 and y is 16, then point is nearly this one. Similarly, on the other side, if x is -1 and y is 1, here -1 and y is 1, then point should be this one. If x is -2 and y is 4, x is here, this is -2 and y is 4, on x-axis -2 and on y-axis 4, the point should be this one. If x is -3 and y is 9, this point is -3 and 9 is here in front of -3 and 9. If x is -4, this is -4 and y is 16, then point is in front of 16 on y-axis and in front of -4 on x-axis, then point is this one. You may join all these points and get the graph of y is equal to x square. This is graph of y x square. You will draw the vertical lines on this graph. The vertical lines everywhere cut the graph exactly at one point. It is not cut anywhere more than one point. Then this equation is a function. If it cut the graph more than one point, then given equation is not a function. For example, if you have a graph like this, you will draw the vertical line, then it will cut the more than one point. It means this graph is not a function. Next, let's come to the types of function. Injective function. For the function, each element of domain should associate to one and only one element of codomain. For injective function, for all y belongs to codomain, there exists at most, this is the at most one point in domain such that f of x not equal to y. कि आपके पास जो कोडोमेन है उसका कम से कम एक पॉइंट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो डोमेन के साथ लिंक नहीं हुआ. कोडोमेन का कम से कम एक पॉइंट ऐसा होना चाहिए जो डोमेन के साथ लिंक नहीं हुआ. देन फंक्शन इज सेड टू बी इंजेक्टिव. सर्जेक्टिव फंक्शन. For all y belongs to codomain, there exists at least one x in domain such that f of x is equal to y. फॉर सर्जेक्टिव फंक्शन के लिए आपके पास कोडोमेन के सारे एलिमेंट जो है वो डोमेन के साथ लिंक होने चाहिए. इंजेक्टिव के लिए कम से कम एक एलिमेंट ऐसा बचना चाहिए जो डोमेन के साथ लिंक नहीं करता. और सर्जेक्टिव के लिए कोडोमेन के सारे जो एलिमेंट है वो डोमेन के साथ लिंक होने चाहिए. तो आपकी असाइनमेंट ये है कि आपने इंजेक्टिव और सर्जेक्टिव फंक्शंस की एग्जांपल्स ढूंढनी है और इनको अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड करना है. और आपको कुछ मैं क्वेश्चंस देती हूँ उन्हें चेक करने के लिए कि वो फंक्शन है या नहीं. अगर आपने इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन चेक करना है तो आप वर्टिकल लाइन टेस्ट को सिमिलरली रिपीट करोगे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन टेस्ट से. आप हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस ड्रा करोगे. अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस ग्राफ को मोर देन वन पॉइंट पे कट करती है तो वो इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन नहीं होगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइंस ड्रा करें तो मोर देन वन पॉइंट पे कट करती है, तो ये फंक्शन तो है लेकिन 1 to 1 नहीं है. योर असाइनमेंट, I will share the assignment in the group. Thank you.